Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Oracle Cloud to Snowflake using data integration, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the Oracle Cloud console. Locate the data integrations service from the main dashboard. Click on Create to start a new data integration project. Select a suitable name for your project. Choose the appropriate region for your data integration. Once created, click on Connections in the left-hand menu. Select Create Connection to link Oracle Cloud with Snowflake. From the connection type options, choose Snowflake. Fill in the required fields, starting with the Snowflake account name. Enter the username associated with your Snowflake account. Provide the corresponding password for that username. Specify the warehouse name you want to use in Snowflake. Indicate the database and schema you will connect to. Set the role you require for accessing the Snowflake instance. Test the connection to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once the connection is successful, save your settings. Return to the main project dashboard. Click on the Tasks option in the left menu. Select Create Task to begin data integration activities. Choose the specific task type relevant to your data integration needs. Provide a name for your task for identification purposes. Select the previously created Snowflake connection as the destination. Define the source data from Oracle Cloud that you intend to integrate. Set any transformation rules if needed during the data flow. Schedule the execution of the task as per your requirements. Save the task configuration once all details are entered. Review the task setup to confirm all information is accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.